Welcome to your English live class. I expect more students to join. Yes. Good. Students, today we are going to discuss about a new topic. Okay? It is adjectives. Today we are going to discuss about the topic adjectives. Anybody knows what is adjective? Because you have very lightly you have learned about it in second standard, and in third standard you learned about adjectives and one or two kinds of it. Now in fourth standard you are going to learn more about adjectives. Three forms of adjectives and different kinds of adjectives. So this class can be considered as a revision class, okay, in which we will collect or remember or recollect what we have learned in the last classes. Okay. So any student who can at least write one thing about what is an adjective, type it in your chat box. Adjective shows quality of noun. Aguti other one. Okay. Means Aguti says it shows quality. Okay. And she says it shows the quality of a noun. Good. Now, anyone else? Whether your answer is correct or wrong doesn't matter. Type in the chat box. If the class is interactive, then it's good. You also will pay attention. I also feel nice. So whether it is correct or wrong, you keep on typing. Adjective means describing word. Okay. Lavanya says that it is a describing word. Lavanya, can you just write what does it describe? So she says it is a describing word. Good. Very nice. What does it describe, Lavanya? You no need to write this. Okay. Okay, Aditi wrote that adjectives gives description of the noun. Okay, she gave the answer. Harsha says that adjectives include colors. Good, very nice. Okay. Harsha says adjective includes colors. And Pratyaksh also says it talks about quality of the noun. Okay, right. Now what else? It is the quality of the noun. Okay. Lavanya says that it is describing the noun. Good. Means you have almost recollected what you have learned in the last classes, means in third standard and in second standard, right? Now only thing is that we have to put it in correct shape and place, right? So whatever you said is correct. Okay. And now we will find we will make a definition from what you said itself. Okay, we are not going to make something out of the box. Okay. Adjective tell the nature of the nouns. Okay. Now you can stop typing and listen. Now stop typing and listen. Adjective means, in simple, if you say, as Lavanya said, it is describing what? What does it describe? That depends on the kinds of nouns. I hope you understood, right? Adjective is describing word. What is describing? Speaking something extra about something is a Describing, that is called describing. And what does it describe? Whether it is describing about the size, whether it is describing the color, quality, type, number, etc. It makes different types of adjectives. Okay? So adjective is a describing word, and what does it describe? I asked love him. Adjective is a describing word. It describes nouns, not only nouns, it describes pronouns even. Okay. Adjectives describe nouns or pronouns. Okay. So you should understand only one thing. Adjective is a describing word. It speaks more about, means more kuch information, extra information. It gives us some extra information about a noun or a pronoun. I hope you understood the definition, kids. Adjective is describing words. Describing means giving more information about color, size, quality, character, number, frequency, anything. Okay. It speaks or give more information about a noun or a pronoun. What? Adjective. Adjective gives more information about noun or a pronoun. We call it describing. Adjective is a describing word of noun or pronoun. I hope you understood. Right? Yes, it describes all the nouns. Okay, and not only nouns, it describes the pronouns too. So we will write what is an adjective in simple. It is a describing word, and quality comes in that, color comes in that, size comes in that, everything. It describes, come on children, it describes what? What does it describe? Does it describe me or you? Or noun or pronoun? Yes, type. It describes a, let me see a next one answer. It describes a, right, fast, hurry up. What does adjective describe? Yes, noun. Who is that? She does. She does not take. Okay. It describes a noun or a pronoun. Good, very nice. Okay. So, Sarah's daughter, right? So, adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. So, let's write some samples. If you can form a sample sentence of your own, type it in the live chat. Come on. Type in the live chat. I will write one sample. Okay. I'll start. Number 1. I saw a beautiful frog. Not frog. Okay, not metal. Frog. I saw a beautiful frog. Now, here is a noun, frog. I am describing this frog. I am not simply telling about a frog. I am giving more information about this frog with the word beautiful. So here, the word beautiful is the adjective of the noun frog. How does the frog look like? The frog looks beautiful. So I am giving extra information of the noun frog by using the adjective beautiful. So the adjective is beautiful and I am describing the noun frog by using this particular adjective here. Right? So I hope you people started typing the sentences. Yes. Okay, if you have network problem, better don't worry. This lesson will get uh, saved and tomorrow you can browse it. Go the other one. A girl has black thick hair. Wow. Super. Or no, no, don't write, my dear. You please pay attention. Lavanya, the sky is blue. Adjective is blue. Wow. Small, smaller, smallest. Avani, Arushi. We will learn that in the next class. Ma'am, please retake the class because it is not coming live in my mobile. A girl has a black thick hair. Black and thick is adjective. Okay, good. Very nice. The t-shirt is red in color. Red is adjective. Good. The dress is very beautiful. Beautiful is adjective. Okay. Now stop typing. Thank you for the participation. Stop typing and listen now. See, we were discussing about adjectives, right? And we learned the definition of adjective as it is a describing word, and adjective describes a noun or a pronoun, right? And now we are writing the samples. I saw a beautiful frog. In the same way, I am going to write the next sentence. What are the other words said? Okay, I will write a name. Ramu has thick black hair. Right. Here the noun is hair. I am going to underline the noun hair. It's the name of something. Name of anything is called a noun. You know that, right? So hair is a noun. It's a part of our body, right? So what kind of hair does Ramu have? Now you see the answer. What kind of hair does Ramu have? He has thick black hair. So I am giving extra information about his hair by using thick and black. Or else I am describing his hair by using the words thick and black. So we can circle these two words as adjectives. We can circle thick and also black as adjectives of the noun hair. Okay. Now in the same way, if we write again samples, she bought 6 eggs. She bought 6 eggs. Whoever it may be a she. It may be Lavanya, it may be Navya, it may be Swara, anybody. Okay. Yes, she. She bought 6 eggs. Maybe to give to me, right? So, how many eggs does she buy? Or she bought, okay. She bought means how many eggs did she buy? How many eggs? 6. Yes, answer has come. So, with the 6, I am giving extra information about the eggs. Egg is the noun, and I am speaking more about eggs by using the number 6. So 6 is the adjective here. Next thing is that, again another sample. I have 2 pet cats, or I have 2 pets. How many pets does I have? How many pets does I have? I have 2 pets. So pets is the noun, and I am describing the pets by using the adjective to. Okay. And now you will see I have used certain words. I have used certain numbers here. This is what I told you. Adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. What does it describe? Makes different kinds of adjectives. Okay? So, if an adjective is describing the quality, we will say quality of a noun, then that type of adjectives are called adjective of quality. And if an adjective is describing the quantity means how much. If we ask the question how much, if you get the answer. For example, Sheila has a lot of pearls with her. Sheila has a lot of pearls. How much pearls does Sheila has? Sheila has a lot of. The quantity is a lot of. I have very little water in the bottle. Right. I have very little water in the bottle. Now you ask the question, how much water do I have in the bottle? Little water. And we can say very little water or little water. Both are correct. You will learn later degrees, adjective of degree or adverb of degree. There very comes. It will come in 5th standard. Okay. Now you just circle both. Very little water. Okay. What is the noun here? Water. So the word very little shows the quantity. कितना है मेरा हाथ में? How much is there in my hand? So this word very little is called the adjective of quantity. If you are speaking or if the adjective is speaking about the color, size or character, quality of something, then it is adjective of quality. If it is speaking about the quantity, it is called the adjective of quantity. And if it is speaking about exact number of things in a sentence, then it is called the adjective of number. Okay. These are the things which you learned in 3rd standard all about adjectives. And this year you are going to learn something extra. That is, again, you learned about 3 kinds of adjectives in 3rd standard, and this year you are going to learn about 4 kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, already learned in 3rd standard, now I have revised it. Adjective of quantity, already learned in 3rd standard, now revised. Adjective of number, already learned in 3rd standard, now again we revised. Now the 4th one which you are going to learn is called demonstrative adjective. Okay? And the 4th topic we will be discussing on Monday in our next class elaborately along with the samples of these kinds of adjectives. Now let's go for a very quick recap, children. Today we have discussed about adjectives. And we together learned that adjective means it's a describing word which describes a noun or a pronoun. What does it describe? Besides the kinds of adjectives. Right? If the adjective describe color, size or quality of a noun or a pronoun, it is called an adjective of quality. If the adjective describes the quantity of a noun or a pronoun, then it is called adjective of quantity. And if the adjective exactly points at how many number of things or noun or pronoun is there in a sentence, then it is called an adjective of number. Okay. And now, in the next class, we are going to speak about adjective distributive. Sorry, in the next class, we are going to discuss about demonstrative adjectives. Okay, children? So, see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. See you. And today, you will get a Google form in which you have to solve the class test based on grammar. Okay? You will be getting some exercises to solve, as well as you will have a class test in Google spreadsheet today. Solve it and send to me in my email ID, in my personal ID, and refer the WhatsApp group for class test link. Okay? Till then, take care, be safe.